Expect you to start just yet. Somehow hit the power thing. There you have it. I wasn't even thinking that I was going to do that fast. Wow. Using double devices to record here, so that was that. So anyways, you can still hear the other ones going. And I ended up managing somehow to hit the power button thing accidentally, trying to manage both the phones. But that is that. Every Tuesday, first Tuesday of every month, we do get this. What you call them, sirens, tornado warning things. So that's that, and we'll catch you on the next one. So all right, later.